Most people assume apps like Brigit are harmless because they're not traditional payday lenders. But here's the truth no one tells you. Ignoring repayments can still create serious financial problems, especially if you keep relying on advances every month. In this video, I'll explain exactly what happens if you don't pay Brigit back in 2026, what consequences users may face, and the smartest way to avoid getting trapped in a cycle of repeated borrowing. Let's start with the basics. Brigit gives eligible users small cash advances connected to their bank accounts. The app typically expects repayment automatically when your next paycheck or deposit arrives. For example, Jake borrows $100 before payday to cover groceries and gas. Once his paycheck hits his account, Brigit attempts to collect repayment automatically. Sounds straightforward. But here's the problem. Many users forget how quickly low balances can create issues. Now here's where it gets interesting. If there isn't enough money in your account when repayment happens, Brigit may try collecting again later. Meanwhile, your bank could charge overdraft fees, depending on your account settings and available balance. That's one of the biggest hidden risks people overlook. For example, Alex already has rent and utility payments pending when Brigit attempts repayment. His account balance drops too low, triggering overdraft problems he didn't expect. This is where most people fail. They ignore missed repayments completely, instead of dealing with the situation early. Even though Brigit is not exactly the same as a traditional payday lender, repeated non-payment can still lead to account restrictions, reduced borrowing access, or suspension from future advances. And here's another important detail many users miss. Financial apps track repayment behavior closely. If you consistently fail to repay advances, that behavior may affect your eligibility for future advances or similar financial services connected to your banking activity. In a minute, I'll explain the worst financial habit these apps can accidentally create. First, understand this. The biggest danger is not usually one missed repayment. The real danger is depending on advances constantly. For example, John borrows through Brigit every paycheck cycle. Then repayment leaves him short again immediately, forcing him to borrow again the next week. Over time, that cycle becomes extremely difficult to escape. That's why responsible usage matters so much. And here's another thing many people don't realize. Subscription fees can continue separately depending on your membership status unless you cancel properly. So even if you stop using advances, you still need to review your account settings carefully. Now let's talk about the smartest solution. If you think repayment may fail, review your upcoming bills early, reduce unnecessary spending temporarily, and contact support if needed before the situation gets worse. Small financial adjustments made early are usually much easier than fixing larger problems later. The safest way to use Brigit is treating advances as temporary emergency tools for short-term cash flow issues, not regular monthly income replacements. So what happens if you don't pay Brigit back in 2026? You could lose access to future advances, trigger overdraft problems with your bank, face account restrictions, and create unhealthy borrowing habits that become difficult to break. The key is staying ahead of repayment instead of reacting after problems start. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and comment below with your experience using cash advance apps. And stay tuned, because next we're comparing Brigit versus Dave to see which app is actually safer in 2026.